Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need. Gather your core device, a quick backup, and block 0. 1 hour. Begin by recording current metrics and a concrete goal so you can measure progress. Then, start the first actionable cycle now. Run a focus sequence for a set interval, keeping tempo steady and noting immediate results. Once done, compare outcomes to your baseline and adjust intensity. This prevents wasted setup time and gets you meaningful feedback from the first attempt. You move into the core sequence by splitting work into adapt, intensify, and stabilize phases. During each phase, monitor outputs every 5-10 minutes and log deviations so you can trace patterns. Increase effort gradually, roughly 10-15% per cycle, while preserving the correct technique. This avoids regressions. Make sure to breathe and recenter between bursts, and when a phase stalls, back off slightly to re-establish control. These steps keep momentum and produce reliable, repeatable improvement. You wrap up by performing a controlled cooldown and taking the final metric check so you can compare start to finish. If results lag, isolate the weakest phase and repeat one focus cycle with a precise correction. That single targeted repetition often fixes persistent errors. Make sure to record what changed and why, then set the next target to be achieved within 24 hours so progress compounds. If you hit repeated failure, reset to the simplest step and rebuild with strict pacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.